sources, we first began by collecting the documents. In the case of the lost lives, we began with the 3,000 some odd fatalities. In the case of ALJ, there were thousands of victim statements. In the case of media, there were tens of thousands of media publications about troubles-related events. And then with the archives, there are also tens of thousands of pages of material produced by the military and the British government about basically what they were doing in real time. And so we applied this systematic codebook used to extract specific pieces of information that we're interested in, which we might kind of sum up as who did what to whom, and when, and where. And using that, we can then generate a pattern of events or materials that we can compare across sources, or in one source, across time and space, or across different actors in the conflict. And so we are just getting to a place now where we're finally getting a chance to analyze this. So I'm just going to run through some interesting descriptive statistics. So with regards to the media, it's well documented that they focused overwhelmingly on security forces, but this is just a simple tally of how many victims, so who did what to whom, this is the whom. 62% of anyone who was mentioned in a news story was a member of the security forces. Now this changes as a function of what types of violations, the what, who did what to whom. So intimidated, threatened, almost overwhelmingly security forces. Torture, surprisingly, focused on the security forces. Now I should mention here, this is the 5 cases of torture we could find mentioned in the media reports on Northern Ireland. Perhaps more surprising would be this trend, given what we know about the distribution of fatalities over the course of the conflict. The media still reported, or over-reported in this case, the deaths of security forces. Now, if we can take this information and compare it to the events generated in the other data sets, to kind of learn basically how the biases of the media evolve over space, or in this case, over victimization type. So, actually, the media is doing a better job of covering incidents of non-lethal violence. So basically, attacks of physical nature that don't result in a more serious violation than these other data sources. But when we look at something simple like arrest, these are getting picked up in the army files, property damage, perhaps overcovered by the media, and then things like kidnappings or arrest and fatalities are just proportionately covered by the media. We're not going to say one story is right and the others are wrong, but what this allows us to do is to say, if you only read the conflict through the media, what would you walk away from? How would that compare to if you were walking away from a book about the troubles that was reported in a different source? We could also compare within sources. So this is just a series of graphs comparing 2 levels of the British military. Allows us to get inside in this case, these are situation reports from the British military reporting to their commanders in Belfast. They focus mostly on what the troops are doing in real time. If we compare that to the same types of events coded from cabinet reports, what's Parliament discussing? Well, obviously they're talking about policy implementation. But then when we get to here, they're looking almost exclusively again on deaths, with a smaller examination of non-lethal violence by the parliamentarians. The Army, on the other hand, focusing almost in the exact opposite pattern on non-lethal violence, simply because they were engaged in much more of that activity. Now, what's interesting there is that while they were engaged in all of that non-lethal violence, the cabinet was perhaps less interested in that information. This also varies across different perpetrators or victims, in this case, within sources across levels of analysis. So, targeted attacks by Republicans, focus of intense scrutiny by situation reports, as well as in the cabinet reports in Parliament. But when we look at loyalist activity. The Army is looking quite a bit at just their meetings and organizations, whereas the parliamentarians are looking at their more public activities with a less intense focus on the violence. Types of activity, here this is Republicans victimized by specific patterns of violence. The Army is engaging in a lot of these arrests, so the arrests show up. They also show up in the cabinet reports. However, if we look at the loyalist victimization, the arrests are a smaller fraction of what the cabinet reports are looking at. So the British parliamentarians perhaps less interested in arrest of loyalists. This is a comparison across different sources. This is eventually where we're going to go, where we're kind of moving from abstract categories to specific event-to-event comparisons across space and time at a much finer level of aggregation. So this is just a distribution of deaths across Belfast, greater Belfast, through lost lives. And this is, 400,000 British Army events coded across Belfast at that same time. And you can see there's a cluster there that's almost surrounding the city in a way that we don't see the pattern of violence reproduce itself, at least in fatalities. As we move into the city, we see a similar thing where there's intense violence, obviously, in West Belfast and South Belfast, but there's intense army activity around the perimeter of that, where we're going to see things like roadblocks and other forms of political conflict that are not captured in the fatality data. With that, I think I will turn it over to Christian for